Hi guys. So in this video I'm going to be doing a straight pour. These are my colors. I'm using three Piggies, TLPs. The first one was Phsych, this is Aspen, and Harvest Gold. And then the others are just regular colors. I have Artist Loft Copper, Liquitex in Green Gray, and Liquitex in Phthallo Green. And then this Pearl Sea Green, Arteza Pearl Sea Green. So, and this is my pearl mix. I use Vallejo Pearl Medium and this Liquitex Unbleached White. I did put a couple scoops of satin enamel, I believe, in there. And I'm also going to be doing a drip test. I was asked to do a drip test by somebody, and I just kind of wanted to show you. These are, I believe that's Phsych, the Phthallo Green, and the Green Gray, I believe, and then the Arteza Pearl Sea Green, which is the only one that moved a little differently. I hold it down for like 10 seconds after I put the drops on there to see if they all move consistently, and they kind of all did move pretty much the same except for the Arteza Pearl Sea Green. So, you know, that one might just have a little bit different density than the other paints. That can happen sometimes when, you know, you're using different brands. I like to do the trace on top of the paint. I feel like it's a little easier. And it's what helped me figure out how to mix my paints so that they were the same consistencies. I like to get like a 3 to 4 second trace. So I do a little trace on the paint and then I count. And however fast that trace sinks is, you know, what I try to get consistent. And if you get that consistent with all your paints that you're doing a pour with, you should be pretty good. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys that and show the drip test and, you know, the similarities. You basically just, if you do a drip test, you want to see that the paint moves relatively the same. Some are always going to move differently, but as long as they're like moving down at the same rate, then you're in, like, all four of those were good. I would consider that a good drip test for the painting. All right, so now I'm gonna fill my cup and let you guys watch the rest of the video. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, I also wanted to let you guys know how I mixed my paints. I use Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and American Floetrol. I mixed the Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and the Floetrol first with little bits of Floetrol. I add a couple scoops of the Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss, and then I cover that with the Floetrol, mix that up really good till it's smooth, and then slowly add little bits at a time of Floetrol and mix it up. And then I use that to mix with my paint before adding more Floetrol to my paint mixtures. So I mainly use that just to give it a nice thick consistency, the Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss. You can use it as your medium if you mixed enough of that up, but Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss is pretty expensive, so I just use like a little bit of it to mix with my paint at first, and then I add Floetrol for the rest of the medium until it's at the consistency that I want, which is a 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 second trace for straight pours. I just wanted to let you guys know how I do that so that you know when you do that drip test, if you want a thick consistency, you're going to want your paints to move pretty slowly, holding the paper or whatever you use down for 10 seconds, and then you kind of see if they move evenly together as well. If one moves a little faster or goes down a little faster than the others, you might want to thicken that up a little bit, or, you know, if it's not too bad, then you could probably leave it. I just left the Arteza Pearl Sea Green the way it was because I think it's just the density of the paint is a little bit different. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a video in my helpful tips playlist on how I mix my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol, if anyone's interested in watching that. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Talk to you guys again soon. Bye.